In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find the perfect spot in order to sell or buy using Fibonacci retracement. Hello and welcome guys to another video. As you can see, we have BTC USDT hourly time frame. In this one, I'm going to use 1 hour time frame, but choosing the time frame is totally up to you. Remember that the higher the time frame, the more accurate analysis. Anyways, let me show you how to use Fibonacci retracement in order to find the perfect spot to buy. Okay, here we go. First, we have to find two highs, like these two right here. And the second high should be lower than the first one. This means that we are in a downtrend. We connect these two with a trend line, these two highs, and I'm going to continue this trend to use it afterwards. Now, we identify a downtrend. We wait for the price to break this downtrend. As you can see, this candle right here did it. Okay, now we would expect an uptrend to start. As you can see, it happened literally. We would follow the trend and see where it goes. As soon as we found a bearish sign, we would bring the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, right here we have a falling star, which is a candlestick bearish pattern, and it indicates a possibility for a pullback. Okay guys, the next move, we would bring the Fibonacci retracement right here. Okay, what will happen now? We would identify the lowest price and the highest price between this period when the price started its uptrend and when we found a bearish sign. Okay, here we go. This is the bottom and this is the highest price possible. Now I'm going to continue this in order to use it afterwards. Okay guys, pay attention to three levels: 0.61, 0.5 and level 0.38. These levels are very crucial in Fibonacci retracement. We would put buy orders on these levels. Okay, here we go. As you can see here, we just touched the 0.38 level of Fibonacci retracement. But anyways, it went up suddenly and now we are in profit. Guys, that was literally everything you had to know about how to use Fibonacci retracement like a professional in order to buy an asset. Now, before I show you how to use this trick in order to find the perfect spot to sell, I have to ask you, if you have liked this video so far, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on that bell thing as well. Cheers. Now guys, how to sell like a professional using Fibonacci retracement. First, we have to find two lows and the second low should be higher than the first one. Then we're gonna connect these two with a trend line, this to this. Then I'm going to continue this in order to use it afterwards. Then we will wait for the price to break this trend line, this uptrend line. As you can see, this candle right here broke the uptrend. Now we will wait for a big bullish sign. As you can see, we have one right here. Okay, then let me bring the Fibonacci retracement. I will find the highest price and the lowest price between these two signs. Then I'm going to continue this in order to use it afterwards. Then again guys, we have three crucial levels on Fibonacci retracement: 0.38, 0.5 and 0.61. These levels are the perfect levels to sell my asset. Now let's take a look. After this sign, we would sell here, we would sell here, and then right here at the highest price possible. And then, as you can see, the price went down. This is how you can use Fibonacci retracement as a professional. Guys, that was everything. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay safe and remember, you are
the coin magnet.
Peace.